In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix app not installed in Android. So if you're trying to install the application in Android but due to some reason you're not being able to do it, there are a few things that you can do in order to fix this problem. So if you're trying to install the application from Play Store, in that case what you can do is simply open the Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Find the option for Play Protect and tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the Play Protect interface. This feature allows you to scan the harmful applications and protect you from downloading them. So what you can do is simply tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various settings options over here. Right over here you'll be able to find the option for scan apps with Play Protect. Simply toggle off this button. Now after you do that, simply tap on this option turn off. Now this particular feature will be turned off. Now what you can do is simply try installing the application again and your problem should be solved. But if your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache of the Play Store. Sometimes the issue might be caused due to cache too. So what you have to do is simply open the app library of your device. Find the application for Google Play Store. Once you do that, long press on it and tap on this option App Info. Now you'll be led to the App Info interface. Tap on this option Storage and Cache. Now you can see over here you'll be able to find two options, Clear Storage, Clear Cache. Tap on this option Clear Cache that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, try installing the application again and your problem should be solved. But if you're trying to install the application from any other source, in that case make sure to allow the permission to install the app from that particular source. For that, what you have to do is simply open the settings on your device. You can see over here settings has been opened. What you have to do is simply tap on the search bar. Now simply search for install unknown apps. You'll be able to see the result over here. Tap on this option install unknown apps. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on this option install unknown apps. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find various applications over here. For example, if you're trying to install the application from Chrome, what you have to do is tap on the option Chrome. Now make sure to allow the installation from this particular source. Make sure the button is toggled on. Now after you do that, try installing the application again and your problem should be fixed. But if your problem is still not fixed, there might be some problem in the device itself. In that case, what you can do is simply try restarting your device. Long press on the power button. After you do that, tap on the option restart and the device will be restarted. After that, your problem should be fixed. So that is how you fix app not installed in Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.